Hi guys, if the ultimate performance power plan is not showing on your Windows 11 PC, then let's see how to fix it. So to fix the issue, first of all go to Windows search and type PowerShell and then simply right click on it and then select Run as Administrator. And now on the PowerShell window, simply copy and paste the following command. I have given this command in the description below. You can copy it from there. So simply copy it and then paste the command here and then press enter. And once the command is executed, you will see a confirmation message like this. Now close the PowerShell window. And now let's go and check if the ultimate performance power plan has been activated on your Windows 11 PC or not. So for that, go to Windows search and type control panel. Here it is. Simply open it. And now on the control panel, go to hardware and sound and then go to power options. And now on the power options window, expand the show additional plan section. So simply click here. And now you can see the ultimate performance power plan is showing here. And now you can select the ultimate performance power plan to enable it on your Windows 11 PC. So simply select it. And now your PC will be in ultimate performance mode. And in case if you are still not able to see the ultimate performance power plan here, then after executing the command in PowerShell, first of all restart your computer and then go and check again, and you will be able to see and enable the ultimate performance power plan from here. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix the ultimate performance power plan is not showing on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.